Hello and welcome back to a new section, data modeling. So far we have learned about what is data warehouse, what are the different types of data warehouse, ETL, ELT, etc. So now what we are going to learn is data modeling. So which is a very important and a very interesting concept within data warehouse. So this data modeling is also called as the DNA of the data warehouse. So then what is data modeling in data warehouse? It is a process of creating a data model for the data to be stored in a database. In other words, you can define this is the data model is a conceptual representation of your data objects, the associations between the different data objects, the rules, and etc. Business intelligence and data warehouse data models are the key to database design. A data model is graphical view of data created for the analysis and the design purposes. So data modeling, what it includes? It generally includes designing the data warehouse databases in details. It follows the principles and the patterns established in the architecture for for the data warehousing and the business intelligence. So in what way the data modeling helps a data warehouse? So the data modeling helps in visual representation of the data and enforces the business rules, regulatory compliances, and the government policies on the data. Data models ensures the consistency in naming conventions, default values, semantics, security, while ensuring the quality of the data. So these are all very essential for safeguarding that company and its business from the possibility of getting into a legal complications running the daily operations seamless. So there are certain standards which need to be followed by an organization or a company when they are having the customer information, or for that matter any other information which they are not supposed to own. So if they are owning that information, how to make sure the customer privacy, customer security is not compromised. So all these things will be answered in data modeling. So data model emphasizes on what data is needed and how it should be organized instead of what operations need to be performed on the data. So the data model is like architecture, architect's building plan, which helps to build a conceptual model and set the relationship between the data items. So we will learn various different types of data modeling in later session, and this is enough for this topic because this data modeling itself is another huge topic which I'm going to discuss again in the subsequent topics within this section. I hope you enjoyed this session. I'll see you in the next topic. Thank you.